Welcome, training partners, to our very first session at the English Dojo.
We are so excited to have you here. Today, our training will focus on the first and most important technique every English warrior must master: how to introduce yourself with confidence.
That's right. By the end of this session, you will be ready to meet anyone. Let the training begin.
Okay, Ryo, imagine we are meeting for the first time. I will start. Hello, my name is Sarah. What's your name?
Hi, Sarah. I'm Ryo. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Ryo. So, where are you from?
Oh, I'm from Japan. And you, Sensei? Where are you from?
I'm from the USA. Now, another important question. What do you do, Ryo?
What do you do? Ah, I'm a student. I study English at the dojo. What about you, Sarah?
A great answer. I'm a teacher, an English sensei.
Wow, a sensei. That's cool.
It is. One last thing, Ryo. To make a conversation more friendly, we can talk about our hobbies. For example, I like reading books. What do you like to do?
I like watching anime and training hard.
Perfect. See, that was a simple and friendly conversation. You did a great job, Ryo.
Thank you, Sensei.
Excellent work, Ryo. Now, let's enter the Sensei's Corner to review the key techniques from that conversation. Technique number 1. My name is and I'm. Both phrases are perfect for saying your name. I'm is very common and natural in speaking. For example, my name is Hana, or I'm Ali. Technique number 2, nice to meet you. This is a polite and friendly phrase you say when you meet someone for the first time. The other person usually replies, nice to meet you too. Example, A, hi, I'm David. B, nice to meet you, David. Technique number 3, where are you from? And I'm from. A great way to continue the conversation. You ask about their country and you tell them your country. Example, A, where are you from? B, I'm from Egypt. Technique number 4, what do you do? And I'm an. This question is about their job or what they do in life. Are you a student, a doctor, an engineer? Example, A, what do you do? B, I'm an engineer. And technique number 5, I like. Use this to talk about your hobbies. You can say, I like plus a noun, like football, or a verb with ing, like reading. Example, I like swimming, or I like pizza.
All right, everyone, it's time to practice. Repeat after Sarah-Sensei. Listen, then say it out loud.
Now, repeat after me. My name is. I'm. Nice to meet you. Where are you from? I'm from. What do you do? I'm a student. I like reading.
Great job, training partners. You are getting stronger. Wow, what a great training session. Let's quickly review the key techniques we mastered today. First, we learned to say our name with my name is or I'm. Then, we learned the polite phrase, nice to meet you. After that, we practiced asking and answering with where are you from and I'm from. We also learned what do you do and I'm a. And finally, we talked about hobbies with I like.
You have all trained very hard today. Thank you for completing this session with us. Now, it's time for your first mission.
A mission? I love missions.
first mission is to tell us in the comments below, what is your name and where are you from? Use the techniques you learned today.
Yes, introduce yourself to us and to all your fellow training partners. And don't forget to join the dojo by hitting the subscribe button and ringing the training bell so you never miss a session.
Keep practicing, and we will see you in the next training session. See you next time. Goodbye.